friends, we are once together to discuss one of the important topic of class 12th as well as for the medical entrance in bio section, that is infertility. Infertility. Now, there are one or two terms. One is infertility, another is sterility. Sterility. So, what do you mean by infertility? We can say infertility, failure of a couple to produce offspring even after a longer time of intercourse without any contraceptives. Means what we can say? We can say that failure of a couple to conceive a baby without protective intercourse. So that couple is not using any contraceptive, but they are failed to produce the baby. So this is infertility, and it is totally different from sterility. In sterility, the couple or one or another partner within couple is sterile. Sterile means he can never become a parent. He can never release the child, the offspring. He can never release the gametes. So there is failure for gamete production by one or another reason in case of sterility. Means that individual cannot produce gametes, or if gametes get produced, there is some problem in fertilization. So completely sterile. That organism cannot become parent throughout the life. But in case of infertility, this fertility is blocked by one or another reason in one or another partner of the couple. So either due to one partner or due to another partner, the couple will fail to produce the baby. So what can be the probable reason? Firstly, I will go through the types of this infertility. So infertility are of two types. One is primary infertility. Second is secondary infertility. In case of primary infertility, the couple does not have any evidences of pregnancy previously. Means that couple does not have any baby, that couple does not have any pregnancy, or that couple does not have any abortion history. So there is no history of pregnancy or abortion. There is no abortion, there is no pregnancy, so it means that couple does not conceive any baby anytime. This is primary infertility. In case of secondary infertility, the couple will have history of any pregnancy that couple will either have one baby and that couple is failed to produce his second baby, or either that couple does not have any baby but that couple have any history of abortion. So that is secondary type of the infertility. In case of some couple, they are able to produce one baby but they are failed to produce the second baby. So this is because this secondary infertility. So these are types of the infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. In case of primary infertility, there is no history of any pregnancy, conceiving of any baby or any abortion. But in case of secondary infertility, that couple will have any one pregnancy, one baby, but they have problem in the second baby, or either they have one or another abortion history. So this is secondary infertility. Now, this infertility is totally different from sterility. But yes, it can lead to instability. It can lead to sterility, because in case of infertility, the couple have some problem to conceive their next baby or first baby. But this problem can be rectified with some proper medical assistance or medical treatment. So that couple can able to produce their baby in case of infertility, but it is not possible when that couple or one or another partner is sterile in that couple. So infertility can be reversible when proper treatment is taken from any doctor, but it can lead to the sterility after long effect if there is no curable measure happen taken by that couple. So we will see the causes. What can be most probable causes of the infertility? Causes can be these causes can be different in male and female, but I am giving these causes in combined form. They can be drug addiction. Yes, male or female, anyone from male and female can have this problem of drug addiction. They are taking some different type of the drug, and that drug will interfere with the menses or with the sperm production. Second, immunological effect. There are some effects in which our immune system of that couple will not support the pregnancy. There can be psychological effect. It is very interesting. In this case, the couple, one or another partner will have some phobia regarding the pregnancy or regarding the parturition. I would like to tell here you one of interesting concept in northern European country like Norway, Sweden. In that region, the female are not ready to conceive the baby. Even the government have fixed some incentive if they produce some baby. But according to those ladies, they can earn lot of money, and there are chances of death in case when there will be the parturition, delivery of the baby. So these females are not ready to take that risk for their health. Hence, the population of northern European countries are decreasing drastically. It is according to one of the survey. Come to here, this is psychological effect. I mean, those ladies have that effect that okay, if we do this thing, then there can be probability that during the parturition death can occur, or it can just disturb our figure like that way. So such type of the problem lie in the European country, and the mentality of one or another partner within the couple, due to which this couple is not able to conceive the baby. Beside it, in case of male and female, there is deficiency of gonadotropin. of male and female reproductive system, or development of male and female gametes. So if there is less amount of this gonadotropin hormone, obviously there will be problem in release of the gametes or production of the gametes within ovary or within testis. Here there is inflammation of gonads, testis and ovary. Testis, ovary. There is inflammation in gonads. So if there is inflammation condition in the gonads, gonads will not able to produce the gametes. And if there are no gametes, there will be no fertilization and no zygote formation. So obviously it can be one of reasons. Beside it, there is deficiency of testosterone or estrogen. As you know, testosterone and estrogen are the major sex hormone of the male and female. So this testosterone is responsible for the development of male reproductive system and production of any character of the male, production of the sperms, all this type of activity by testosterone, and similarly estrogen will be responsible for the female reproductive processes like MC cycle, maintenance of uterus, development of the egg and fertilization, all these things. Estrogen. If there will be less estrogen and less testosterone, it means there will be very less or no production of the sperm or egg. If there will be no production of sperm and egg, obviously that couple will not able to conceive the baby. Next, there can be filling of testis with liquid. Some liquid will come in the testis, because of which the testis will not able to produce the sperms. It can be one of reason. Besides it, there can be different amount of the prolactin and progesterone. So deficiency or excess of prolactin and LH. This prolactin, as we have seen in the contraceptive, last video of the contraceptive method, we have seen that this prolactin and lactogen interfere with the ovulation. So obviously in some females there is problem of the abortion again and again. This is because of this imbalance of this prolactin or progesterone. So the next point can be imbalance between pregnancy hormone, hormones. There are different pregnancy hormones in females, especially progesterone, estrogen, LH, FSH. These all follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone. If there will be imbalance, there will be problem in conceiving of the baby. So any one of the factor, besides this factor, there are one or two more factor. One I will like to write here: blocking of or blockage of Basa difference or oviduct. In some cases, this Basa difference or oviduct can be blocked. If it is blocked, then there will be no release of the gamete, and if there will be no gamete, there will be no fertilization, and this will result in instability of that couple. So these are the major factors for the instability of the any couple. One or more factor can be there, and we have seen in maximum cases this instability is because of the male partner. But obviously the accused think that female partner only, But in maximum cases, it is found that this problem lies within the male. This hormonal low amount of secretion of the gamete sperms or less effective sperms, they can be one or another probable reason for the infertility. But there is no need to worry about the infertility, because once we understand that there is infertility condition and there can be one or another reason for this infertility, one can consult with a medical practitioner, and medical practitioner will give them best advice how to treat this infertility. So this infertile couple can conceive baby with a medical checkup or medical strategy, which we called assisted reproductive strategy. Assisted reproductive strategy, ARS. So in my next video, I will discuss this ARS, assisted reproductive strategy. So thank you for this topic. I have done with my topic, and if you have any doubt, you can text me on YouTube or on my personal number. So thank you.